Hey guys, so I definitely need a truck. What do y'all think? Ever since I put the 2.5 inch and 2 inch rough country lift kit on this little Liberty here, and here's the trailer. It's a 16-foot top hat, pretty heavy, but so I've been working on the suspension. It was just locked. It's kind of like that, and it just wouldn't move. So I took it all apart and made a mess in the garage or the driveway, so my wife's gonna be happy. But now it's at least working like it's supposed to. And before, like, this wheel was lower than this wheel was always up, so I just had custom spinners. So I'd stop and they just spin and spin and spin. Right side is my bearings were good. Downside is it just jerked the Jeep around, little bitty Liberty here. It just kind of jerked it around all the time. But so I'm sending the Highlifter away. It's not going far, it's going to Woody's. So yeah, I don't know what he's gonna do, but we got springs, I do believe, and yes, so we've got springs because we talked to EPI, and I'm stealing the sticker. Sorry, Woody. So, we talked to EPI, I sent them an email because they actually didn't have anything listed for the 2017 850. And actually, this is for 1,000, but I'm sure they know what they're talking about, hopefully. Anyways, so they didn't have anything listed for the 2017, and this is for the 2016, what they were saying. We gotta hide my sticker, so I stole that sticker. I want to keep it. And we also got the riser, the Snorkel Your ATV riser extension. And I've not actually flipped these. Hold on. So there's your riser, and that's a big old sucker too. That's a lot bigger than that one we did for J-Boys. So it's just got the three, it's got the intake for the engine, the intake for the CVT, and the exhaust for the CVT. And it's just got a couple, okay. Oh. Okay, yeah, so it's kind of what I thought, just a little elbow. I don't know what degree, I don't know. It's not much. And they've got it already truck bed painted, or whatever you want to call that. And then for your vacuum line here, or your breather lines, whatever you want to. We'll let him have this sticker. I've already got that sticker. But so yeah, that's all that is in Quit It box. 2017 Sportsman Highlifter Edition 850. 3 2-inch risers. Well, 6 couplings and 3 22.5s maybe. I don't know. And then your breather too. So yeah, that's what we're doing to this, because we're trying to get ready for mud days. And yeah, so clutch kit and warrior risers, and we're gonna get it. Oh yes, hold on hold the phone. Ooh, I almost forgot. So you know how we've been having the issue of losing tires because they've been coming off the bead? We are not going to have that issue anymore. And it's all, I'm not going to take it apart, but these are full, well, one side bead lock, STI HD bead lock wheels. I'll go ahead and there. I figure y'all deserved a little better look, but yeah. So the STI HD alloy bead lock wheels, and well, we're not gonna. So, kind of use your imagination a little bit. I know that's not the greatest mock-up, but But from that, this is really really hard to hold to that. So there they are. That's what's going on here. We went and picked up a 2-door Yukon, and it was leaking oil. We didn't realize it. So upgrades.